In Wire EDM, your machine can only cut as accurately as your setup allows. If the part moves, sits too high, loses its reference, or takes too long to realign, the problem is not always the machine. That's why the RHS Wire EDM Tooling Vise Pallet set is built to give your shop a more stable, repeatable way to hold small and medium-sized parts during Wire EDM operations. This set combines a precision vise with a pallet-style base, so your part can be clamped securely and positioned with a consistent reference. The fixed Z-lip helps control the height reference, while the side clamping design allows you to hold workpieces up to 150 millimeters wide, depending on the version. It can be mounted on fixed holders or 3D pendulum holders, and it also works with accessories like prism holders and beam vise elements for different part shapes and setup needs. Explore the RHS Wire EDM Tooling Vise Pallet Set and see if it fits your next Wire EDM setup.